Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to be creating two projects for you. I'm going to be using items from the Dollar Tree. Most of the items I'm using today is from the Dollar Tree. So I've decided to create two projects today, and I will not be using the candle holder right there. No, I'm not going to be using that. I thought I wanted to attach it to this hurricane vase from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to save that for another project. So anyway, guys, so I'm going to create two projects today. They're going to be a matching set, and so I'm going to get started. So one of the things I had purchased from the Dollar Tree a while ago was this red glittered ribbon, and I thought I wanted to put it around the top edge of this vase, but because of the shape of the opening at the top of the vase, the ribbon will not lay flat. So what I'm going to do is just create my own embellishment around the top, and I'm going to do that by just using a little bit of my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue and this beautiful holographic glitter. It's red. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. It's so highly reflective, and I'm going to use that today instead of the glittered red ribbon. So to begin, I'm going to use this cap from this body spray. I'm going to use that as the height limit that I want to end my glitter trim, and I'm going to use that to draw a line. I'm going to press the glass against the tip. I'm going to turn it very slowly, making sure that the line I'm creating is nice and even. So that came out really nice, guys. So we're going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to add some of my clear gel, Aleene's tacky glue. I'm going to apply that to the area above the red line. Once I do that, I'm going to brush it down nice and smooth with my paintbrush. So now I'm just going to add the red glitter on top. And guys, look how beautiful this glitter is. So now that that's dry, I'm going to be using the diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. And what I did here was I cut one long single row strip out. I'm going to use this to just cover the edge, the bottom edge of the glitter trim. And I'm also going to apply that diamond wrap to the top edge. Okay, so next I'm going to use some of this ornament. It's meant to be decoration for a Christmas tree, but when I purchased it, I know I was going to use a lot of this stuff separately, and I'm going to just use a couple of the leaves today in my project. Guys, I love the way this vase came out. This is so beautiful, and it was so easy to do, and it looks really, really nice. So I'm going to make a smaller vase, which is going to be a matching set to this. It's going to be decorated in the same way. The size of the vase is going to be a lot smaller, and the shape is going to be different. But anyway, all the vases I got from the Dollar Tree. And guys, look, that looks so nice, so elegant, and it looked really nice together as a set. I absolutely love the way these came out today. So you can definitely check your Dollar Tree for anything that's similar. Also guys, you can check Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and you can check your discounted stores as well. And yeah, so guys, I know I promised to take you guys on a tour to my discount store so that we can see the Christmas decorations. They're not fully up yet, but once they're up, I'm going to go right in and can do a video. All right guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you all stay well, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye bye.